kailangan malampasan ang mga problemang hinaharap. Mahirap man madiskubre kung ano nga ba ang ating hinahanap, lalo na sa panahon na tayo'y pagod na, sa panahon na tayo nalilito, masusuko o lalaban pa ba. Kaya napag-isipan natin na pumikit na muna, at nung binuksan natin ang ating mga mata, ay doon pa natin nakita kung gaano kaganda ang bunga at tiwala natin sa isa't isa. At sa bawat problema na kaya na natin lampasan, lahat tayo ay pantay at may karapatan dahil tayong lahat ay pinagkaisa ng daan na muli nating nakita.
Daan na ating bubuksan, lahat ay tutulungan, ng taos-puso't walang alinlangan.
From students
For students.
Kabangan na muwan, tanan ni panupakot ka kami ang dalan, andaran sa inyong kabaguhan. Oh, 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 kabaguhan. Oh, 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 ang dalan, saksi ang gugmasa. Mga kamot na mong bigyod ka po yun o kamong serbisyo. Kanunay kaayo ninyo kapito no timi magbuhat-duha o di kang kung mahulog ka ang dami mo bangon ninyo bisag sa dadalon nini panahon. Ipanong pamon di na mo o kabangan na muhan tanan ni panupakot na kami ang dalan sa inyong kabaguhan. Oh, 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 kabaguhan. Oh, 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 ang dalan, kami ang dalan na gabay sa inyong mga pangandoy, tuyo niling tanan. Kung may klaro man ang kalibutan, kung kimi magbuhat, o di kang kung mahulog ka, ang dami mo bangon ninyo, isa ka sa tadalon, niling panahon. Mabuti na mo biyaan, kung kabangan na muhan, kanan di kami ang dalan sa inyong kabaguhan.
Good day, everyone! We are from the Dalan Party. I'm the Irish Contestant running for president. I'm Scott Florida, running for vice president. I am Johan Reyes, running as your supporting secretary. I chose to run because I believe that I can do something for the community, not just being a normal student, but a leader for others. I run to support my beloved community and to help my fellow brothers foster good behavior. As a gratitude to the citizens of Earth, I run as secretary for the betterment of this community. Dalan Partido, daan na ating bubuksan, lahat ay tutulungan, ng taos-puso't walang alinlangan.
Good day, everyone! We are from the Dalan Party. I am Bert Lawrence Cruel,
and I am John Frederick C. Tolentino,
running as Public Information Officer. And we believe that leadership is not discovered. It is built through experience and is nurtured by passion and a grateful heart. Once again, we are from the Dalan Party. Lahat na ating bubuksan, lahat ay tutulungan, ng taos-puso't walang alinlangan. Dalan Partido.
Good day, everyone. We are from the Dalan Party. I am Darlene Nasi, and I am Principal D. Celeste, running as property co-student. I run to have a purpose. A purpose to help my fellow students to have a good and proper access to school facilities. I run just to help preserving our school properties so that the other generations to come will see how beautiful our school is. Again, we are from the Dalan Party. Daan na ating bubuksan, lahat ay tutulungan ng taus-puso't walang alinlangan.
Good day, everyone! We are from Dalan Party!
I am Jeremy Martisano. And I am Christian Luis Macanlao.
And I am Matt Anthony Duncan. And I, John Lucian Abreu. Running as Grade 9 Batch Representative.
I run because I want to bring change to my fellow batchmates.
I choose to run it because I want to lead my batchmate. I want to create a better outcomes, and I want to lead them to the right
I
path.
also choose to run because I want to help my fellow batchmates and promote unity.
I am running as a batch representative. It is because I want to help my beloved sisters, teachers, and brothers. And also, I want to serve the community. Once again, we are from Dalan Party. Daan ng ating bubuksan, lahat ay tutulungan ng kaus-puso't walang alinlangan.
Good day, everyone. My name is Prince Michael Lumpar, running as batch representative. I run because I want to help my fellow batchmates, and I believe that there is no shame in falling down, but the true shame is not to stand up again. Again, from Dalan Party, daan na ating bubuksan, lahat ay tutulungan ng kaus-puso't walang alinlangan.
Good day, everyone. We are the Dalan Party.
I am Shido Sierra. I am Mimiki Tim Uy. I am Marcos at Sinisa.
And I am Karen Alito.
Running as Grade 8 Batch Representative.
Ako ay tumakbo bilang batch representative para ipakita ko aking kakayahan bilang isang leader. Ako ay tumakbo, hindi lamang para sa aking sarili, kundi pati na rin sa ating community.
Running as a grade 8 batch representative is not easy, but I do my best in doing super passion and I want to serve the nation. I ran being a batch representative to serve the community and to meet my batchmate the voice of a better life here inside. Once again, we are the Dalan Party. Good day, everyone. I'm Joshua Ray Ilario, running as grade 8 batch representative from Dalan Party. I run because I want to serve the Lord through my leadership. Because I believe that true leadership is serving the Lord in our community. Once again, from Dalan Party, daan na ating bubuksan, lahat ay tutulungan ng taus-puso't walang alinlangan.